Okay, so my Sony FX30, be fair to say I haven't been loving the images I've been getting from it as much as I thought I would. So something arrived in the mail which I hope will fix that. Let's have a look. It's a Viltrox AF30 1.4. The thing is, I've been using the Tamrons and they are a great workhorse. I think they do a good job, they're fine, but they don't, images don't pop like I was wanting to. There's not that amazing bokeh, and I've been trying a couple of my Russian vintages. They give me a much better lens, a better look. You know, I just like the look better. But the problem is they don't have autofocus, and part of the reason of having the whole Sony infrastructure is being able to use the autofocus on, especially when you've got such a shallow depth of field sometimes. So I am hoping that this will change things, and also it's just that bit wider. I quite like a wide shot. So let's see what we've got here. 3. Kids, don't try this at home. Ooh. Hey Tiff, you coming to have a look? Yeah, it's a new lens. Viltrox, we get a bag, we get some instructions, you get a cat, nicely packaged. Oh, look at this. I have to say, that feels really professional. I like that it's a metal lens. Golly gosh, it's nice. So I'll have a play with that, and I'll let you know how I get on. Bye.